Hello guys, welcome to Blavan Matrix. On this today we are going to learn a networking engineer, but we start in a session of network configuration. Today we are going to show how two devices or PC to PC communicate using Ethernet wire. Now, firstly you make sure you have a Cisco Packet Tracer on your laptop or your computer. Also open it. If you don't have, make sure you download and install it on your computer. After that, you open. After open, you can see when you click here, the network device. In this side, you can see router, switch, there is hub, there's wireless devices. When you click each, it is opened on this panel. But here above, we can see this is the file edit and so many different icons for different purpose for sending emails or messages from there. But our purpose is to communicate two devices, switch and we make sure two PCs are communicating using Ethernet wire. Now our PC is here. We can choose the PC1 and locate here, and the PC2 from here. After that, we connect them using Ethernet wire. The Ethernet wire we use this automatic wire or copper, while when using different other from these two, there's no communication. But when you choose this one, also you can see it determines that here what kind of wire needed automatically. That is the automatic wire. But when you use the copper wire, you make sure that you select the first Ethernet from PC1 and PC2. Okay, you can see here the green link, the communication is between. Now, when you use different of wire, different from automatic or copper wire, we can see. Let's testing this one. There is no communication. The red blink means that there is no communication. Now we are going to use our copper automatic wire. Okay, now let me open by clicking this PC0 of the first PC. Now we going this desktop site or configure site. While we choose the desktop, here we choose IP configuration in order to make a static IP address. Now here we can see there is a dynamic hosting configuration protocol and static. Now between two communication we must use IP address is static. That we use IPs 192.168.60.1. This is the IP address of the first PC, and the second PC we can see here. We have enter the IP address and the MAC address, subnet mask. Okay, we can see here the local link address. This is the MAC address of this PC. Now let's we going to configure the second PC. Click and select desktop, then IP configuration. After open, you can choose and write in here IP address 192.168.60.2. Okay, and this IP address, let's copy it and right here. This PC, which is have this one. Okay, but we change this from here to 1. Okay, let me prove. Yeah, it is okay. Now it's already communicated but we are seeing if it is communicated or not communicated. We are opening this PC1 to test it for ping, this PC2. If a ping replay, we must understand that our communication is already connected successfully. Now we opening the command prompt as a real PC testing. Write the ping and this IP address of the second IP. Okay. 192.168.60.2 of that second PC. Okay. Enter. Let me enter. Okay, our communication is successful because we are seeing the replay for replay times here. Okay, when you change the IP address of this from the different network, let me change here, writing, okay, 5, let's say 5. This is a different network from PC2. After that, go to this PC and ping again. Okay, let me ping again. 182.168 and 50. Okay, 2. There is no replay, we can see. The ping failed because this is a different request timeout. This is a different network. Due to that, subnet mask is 24, but when you see this one, this is a different network from this. In order to communicate successfully, you make sure that these two devices is from the same networks. As we can see the first one, let me go and edit to turn back our network. Yeah. Let me use this one to ping the first one. Ping 198, no, 192.168 and 60, no, 1, because we are on PC2 to ping this PC1. Let me in. You can see the ping replay. Make sure that it communicate. No. Okay, we are not changing inside this one. That is a problem. We are not changing IP address here. Okay. After changing the IP address, let me ping now. Okay, we replay. Boom. Already we can see our network is ready. Let me show you. Okay, let me end here on this session. We are continually updating and learning more and more from this simple to advanced network engineer using Cisco Packet. If you are the first time for looking this channel, Blavan Matrix, you make sure you subscribe and like, share, and comments, and still getting update when we are still learning this. Okay, let me say thank you.
Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share with others. Bye bye.